Avid grabbing my Alpha 1. Okay, so I'm trying to build OpenSSL. And that's apparently how to do. So yeah. Some posts and development kits. 17 dev and test kit. I got. Okay, so OSSL trying to build for XP. Anyway, just now build for V141 XP. I'm gonna search issues if anyone else has asked. Okay, actually, this is actually great. Because this person showed how to do it. Yeah. This is perfect. This is literally exactly what I want. What was it? Figured no shared, not the Visual Studio, but like / build percent cd % / build. Okay, and now we've done that. So let's build Windows XP apparently. They also use set the ink or whatever. Then now you can call do ms. Right, and now I guess they just run that and then they run nmake. nt.mac. That didn't work. Can I open file yink.obj? Oh right, it's too old. I just changed the compiler, right? So I have to not see Windows. Temp tmp32, right? I have to nuke the full config. No one's on the stream. This is sad. People like, it was like, got lots of people on before, and now it's like no one on the stream. Then go subsystem console, whatever, and then nt.mac. And this should maybe build it through XP, maybe, and that should work because it should be like old enough to have whatever things it's looking for. Yeah, it has the using SDK whatever. It's good. Is that all it takes? Is it really just D using SDK? Is that all you need? And use the Inco. Is that there? Subsystem Windows 510. When you build here, yeah, it's using V11, V10 SDK, whatever. Is that really it? You just added the fine? Not keen on 111B. You just set these, apparently. Okay. Apparently I actually want using 110 SDK 71, but what's the difference? Like this information's for like this info seems to be for like 1.1b. I'm trying to build 1.01a, which shouldn't be too different. Okay. Trying to build OpenSSL again. Hoping it works this time. Okay. Let's freaking go. Anyway, as I was doing before, I was setting up all the keys. Actually, another instance of IDA. Trying to look at Android yib default, but also PSC headers, PSC keys or whatever. xton const chow psm header iv, and then this is the file name hmac. There's like a couple file name hmacs, right? But the only reason I want to open this up was to get the official names of these. So, for instance, I think I can just straight up search this. Yeah, I'm gonna just find it. And these actually have names like PSM HMAC key, PSM key, PSICV key, OPICV key, etc. Right? ESM fixed key. So SC PSM fixed key, SCE PSM, where's this one is? For God's sake, can I right click please? So it's PSM fixed IV. Alright, so now we have like the official names. It's kind of cool. PSM HMAC key, SC PSM HMAC key, then SC PSM key, which I don't even know where this is used. I don't think these are used anywhere, but I'm gonna have them anyway. SC PSM key, SC PSM ICV key, and SC PSM OPT whatever. SCE PSM. That's like I guess SCE PSM password or something for like the publishing key password. And what about the actual key that is used for the header? PSC header key. Right, it's here, but it's oh, it's white boxed. Yeah, it's using the fucking T-fit bullshit. Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, we know what the actual key is from the Vita, but still. Next time. It's about the same thing, SCPSM header key. But only if we build Breeze. Okay. SC release or PSM release or something. Okay. So next we want PSM keys. We'll include PSM keys.h, and then just want to do all these, like define them all essentially. Passwords equals the PSM fixed key is this one, the developer runtime like thing. The fixed IV is this. A PSM HMAC key is this. The PSM key is this thing. ICV key is this one. And the OPCI, whatever, is this thing. Okay. And then if def PSM release const shell whatever equals I think these all like the same space between. Then that equals like, you know, the header key, which we need to get from packages, bad apple PSM I want to say, and then here. Okay, so those are the names of these. Could honestly change them in here, but I'm not going to. And then hex to bin is this function, which I'm gonna change some of these. So this is the current child, right? So C. hex though, like. So if it's this, then you subtract by this much. Otherwise, it's so if this is like lowercase or whatever, subtract by. Equals Sure, I can just find like a convert to hex type thing online because I don't actually understand how this works. Like, yeah. It still failed to fucking yank. It just doesn't yank now for error code 492, like. Let's try using this SDK instead of the other one. Can I open input file yink.object? I think it's an issue of like what it's running. If I build this though, it works. What's it actually running though to build this? Okay, from toolsets, this. Like, how do you make it use this? Let's see if anyone else is. I'm gonna look for a pre-built binary again. bay32.yib pre-built. Change it to define and debug. I could just. What does error code this mean? Why is it trying to wait? Why is it trying to build a? Why is it trying to build a Wait a minute. Why is it trying to build an exe? Okay. Shouldn't be trying to build. It shouldn't be trying to build an exe. I just need the libraries. I don't care about anything else. Don't give me exes. Don't give me tests. Just like, for God's sake. PSM encryptor. Open SSL. Out 32. It did it. Wait. It totally worked. It was breaking on building an exe. It actually already built the Okay, wait, can I do like no tests somehow? So I always specify like I don't want tests. I'm gonna give this a shot. I'm gonna grab these and try yank them to my project and see what happens. New folder, yib. Like, yeah, give that a shot. Drop those two in there. Build this. Inco inputs on Win32, all platforms. Yeah, it built, but it didn't build the it couldn't build the tests, but I don't care about the tests, so I'm just gonna try it and see if it works. Because you know, who cares? Yib EAY without anything else. Yib SSCO EAY SSL EAY 32 yib. Okay. And then general. How do I specify like different folders, like the other folders to include libraries from? Additional library directories. Okay. This should also be all configurations. Okay. So additional library directories would be solution.do/yib, right? Yeah. Okay, so I should be able to maybe build now. Rebuild. Error. Oh, one warning. Okay, it's just a warning saying it's no longer supported. I'm gonna try rebuild and see what happens. Two warnings. Now go past something. Okay. It looks like it worked. It looks like it built no problem. So the other thing is I need to get the enqueues as well. Alright, so OSSL where would that be? Enqueued. It didn't build them. Yes, I also need MD5. Where are the enqueues? It's possible to do like no tests or whatever. I can do install, maybe. And that might give me like enqueued. No, it tries to build the test and so it doesn't do the install step. Because it can't build the test. I don't care about the test though. Like, if some of it doesn't work, it doesn't matter, because like, I only need the cert passing to work. Inc32/OpenSSL. Really? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's make an enqueued folder here too. And let's toss all that in here. Okay. Sweet. So now cc general additional enqueued directories. solution do slash enq. Okay. So that should work. The other thing is I need Sony's like ASCII to text function. This one, I don't understand how this works, but I should be able to just copy paste this, right? Like I think. Like, yeah? I can just copy this. Yeah, okay, that's good enough. That should just work. Stolen directly from the thing. Okay. So now I can include open SSL slash. How do I like include everything? I guess you can't just include everything. Alright, whatever. Okay, now there's more here. I need to include the private keys as well. So those also need to be copied over, like the keys and stuff. If I just search for like names or whatever, okay, there's a couple of these things that need to be open. Forget what I called them in here, but yeah, names. G underscore. Here they are. Okay, well, I'm gonna use Sony's names actually. So you have defaults. And CSC PSM header pub key, right? Extern const shell, but also the private key. Priv key, and then the same for whole signature as well. And then the whole signature is just that one plus whatever. Extern const shell whole signature, and then priv key too, right? Okay. And now I need to just include these as well. Which I need MSys. CD keys. xxd-i. Do I not have xxd? I don't have xxd. Why is it still like really hard to just include fucking files inside your code? Like, why is that still a difficult thing to do? I need to include both of these. I don't want to manually create the files for them because it's always annoying. I can maybe use MSWSL. It's still unsolved. And I wouldn't be able to use hashtag embed anyway because I'm using the XP like target whatever. Okay. MNTC CDMSys CD home CDE CD keys XXT XXDI. How does it work again? I actually could rewrite it like fairly easily, but PSC whole dot do whole file key dot h hello key dot do hello key dot h and now also the public keys. And don't we need the whole public keys, but they include them in the they do include them inside the thing. Whole file key public H. Okay. That's something. So let's edit these and grab that. This whole PSM signature, hello signature, whatever, hello key, proof key, right? That was the public. Okay, so that's pub key. Alright, pub key. I'll make that const as well. And then private key as well. Hello pub key. Priv key, because that's the private key. Okay, and then the same for the whole signature keys as well. Um, whole signature pub key. And then whole file as well. Okay. I'm also gonna seal this algorithm if I stole from here. I'm just gonna include it in PSM keys, just because it's related to importing the keys, I guess. Yeah, it should work. I just copy pasted it straight from either. Okay. So all the keys should now be here, right? I'm also gonna define PSM release in here, just cause. So what that does get set. Okay. Okay, cool. So now we should be able to continue working on this stuff because yeah, get keys and kdebug. PSM data encrypt. So as I was doing, if you see get keys from kdebug. Okay. So I need to call SSL library init, right? I believe that's what this function is. I actually don't know because this was static yanked. I had to guess, but basically it was a function that called a bunch of other functions, and this one that gets some environment. This one like sets up a bunch of stuff. It looks like. And this one like I think this is like SSL library in it. Like because what else would it be, right? Could be also add SSL algorithms. Oh, they're the same thing. Okay. You also have to call before. You also have to call library init before you do like anything in OpenSSL. So it makes sense. So that's what that would be. Oh, this is a default. This is a different. I meant to be looking at this one. Okay. And then it just reads the PKCS12, right? With D2I PKCS12. which I'll probably need to like include OpenSSL PKCS12. Yeah. But then it's as simple as just doing that null dev pkcs12 dev pkcs12 size. Oh, it's a double child pointer. It's kind of weird. It also wants a child pointer, so it's like annoyed that this isn't a child pointer. I actually, okay. Unsigned child. Fine. Const unsigned child. We're gonna use UN8T. And that outputs a PKCS12 object. And I'm also just guessing is what this function is. Like it makes no sense to be anything else. And then PKCS12 paths. Right, so if which honestly it should be called PKCS, not ASM1 CTX. Okay, so now if PKCS, if PKCS12 house, PKCS, now I'm also going to include PSM keys here. PSM keys.hpp. Right, now PSM keys has got within it PSM PKCS12 password, right? Which is here, and is literally just the word password. Which is a really good password, by the way, Sony. Thanks for making that be the password to every single publisher license ever. Just the word password is like brilliant. It's like the best password ever. Very secure. So yeah, PKCS12 password. And then pkey cert ca. Which Sony does how exactly? Pkey cert ca. Okay, yeah, these have those just like straight up. Pkey with key equals null. The EVP pkey. Okay. EVP pkey. X509 cert null. And stack st x509 ca equals null. Okay, so and pkey and cert and ca. Okay, and then you get the RSA key. EVP, P key, RSA. These are like really freaking complicated. Get one RSA, right? P key, and then it takes an RSA ST. Okay, that gives you a context for RSA, which you can then use to actually decrypt the data. So you malloc these. PSM app, PSM app. Like honestly, like all of this code has already been reverse engineered by me, so it's kind of just grabbing shit but removing the stuff that doesn't need to be here. Like, for instance, doesn't need to be set to itself. It's just a stupid optimization thing. Also, once I get this working, like then it's gonna be a matter of modifying it to be more usable. Because making it work exactly like the Sony one, that's step one. Then extending it to work better than the Sony one, that's step two. Okay. So then it's RSA private decrypts on the RSA section of the host KDBG. Size of, yep, and then okay, why aren't those useful already? Host, HK app, AES section, RSA section. I guess they're not like child pointers. I could just go to unc though. Yeah, or I could just do unc, and like that's the first entry, right? And that would work. Let me just do that. Oh, is incompatible type unsigned child? Oh, these aren't unsigned childs. Let me fix that. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that should work. It also, first thing it does before that is it copies the decrypted host KDBG of the host KDBG size from host KDBG. Yeah, so it copies it there and then decrypts it. And then if that's successful, then there's AES on it. Which, how do I AES in RSA in OpenSSL? How do you use AES in OpenSSL? I actually don't know. I don't think Sony was using OpenSSL AES, but I'm gonna just use it because, like, why not just use it? Like, you have it, right? Yeah. AES 128 CBC. AES 128. AES decrypts or something. Hoping to include AES, right? Include OpenSSL / AESH. Okay. AES CBC decrypt. Really? Does it not have CBC encrypt? Decrypt? Does OSSL only have encrypt but not decrypt for AES? That doesn't seem right. Like, surely it has AES encrypt too. I mean decrypt, right? Like, it clearly has AES encrypt. Wait, so the gas variable, the gas, so okay, that's cursed. So you use AES CBC encrypt to do decrypt as well. You just use a different argument. You just pass a 0 instead of 1 as like the gas thing. That's okay. Okay. AES CBC encrypt, and then you just pass it a boolean to say to decrypt instead. Alright, whatever. So, RSA decrypted host KDBG, to RSA section dot AES section key. Make sure I'm doing it right. No, the first byte is the input. So yeah, this is like they're very much using a different AES implementation than OpenSSL. That's like a classic Sony move right there. Include a library that has like every crypto like function you could ever want, and then just like throw AES.c as like a standalone implementation. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm just gonna use OpenSSL for it because like it's there, right? I would say so it's the input is I would say decrypted host KDBG. I was AES section. I would say decrypted host KDBG AES section. I would say AES decrypted host KDBG AES section. And then it's the size of the AES section. So size of PSM HKApp AES section. And an AES key is like its own thing. What is the AES key struct? Maybe Sony made like a wrapper around the RSA functions for AES actually. There's actually a possibility. They probably did. I mean, there's definitely stuff in here that's AES related. Yeah, like I think Sony made their own function around AES to do it, which makes sense. So like an AES in it, or how do you use AES in OpenSSL? I can't find the docs aren't being very helpful. AES, like, how do you use it? I guess commands. I'm using the library though. AES CBC. Okay, what is like key? Set decrypt key, right? Yeah, AES set decrypt key. Key. Okay. So key size times 8, and then D key, and then AES CPC decrypts sorry, AES CBC encrypt, because for some reason it's called encrypt even though it can do decryption too. And then it's in data output data size and D key IV 0, right? Const UN 8 is incompatible with parameter type const chow. Const unsigned chow. I'll make it const unsigned chow then. Like, gosh. Const unsigned chow is incompatible type unsigned. Oh, it doesn't like it being const. I guess if these are not set, then whatever. Let me pop this, like, these AES helper functions before here. I guess it makes sense to make a helper function. It is kind of annoying to do it in OpenSSL, but it is possible. Obviously. Okay. Actually, I think Sony did just implement their own implementation, though. I don't think they used the OpenSSL one at all. Which is weird, because, like, why? You can just use OpenSSL. Like, it's right there. You've already included it in your project. Like, you know? Anyway. Okay, let me set this to RSA section IV. This to the size of make the AES section as a whole. And to get like the first part. Yeah. And then semicolon at the end. Okay, so that should decrypt the entire AES section as well. And then they just memcopy out all of this stuff. I guess should copy the keys out once that's done. They check. Okay, they check the result of it, but still, which return SCEPSN. Okay. Okay, so I check the result of that, and then they copy all of these, right? Which I guess instead of using a UN8, I can just specify a directly. I want this to be like a 10 bytes each. Says you can do this in C. You can't do this in either, but you can do this in C. You just specify like the size as an argument. And now I can do size of on it. And do the work correctly. And then this would be why is this shape doing it by itself? AS section dot Vita HMAC key. Right? Size of Vita HMAC key. And Android HMAC key. And game key. Okay. So yeah, then we copy all of this stuff out. So extract out Vita Android game keys. And then it's like custodian of it is compared to compared to 21, and then it does this if that's the case. Right, so size p h max size equals PSM sc PSM h max key. Then we do that. We copy that to file name hmac key. Const shell okay. Okay, that should work. But first, it then sets the file name key to 0. File name hmac key 0. Get file name hmac key. Right, which is then set. Then we free everything. Else res equals that. Which I guess means I need to define res earlier, like up here maybe. Else that. Else that. Free pkcs. Else this. If cert, then free the cert. And now free everything, so if cert, then we x509 free cert. If CA, then we do this, I believe. Is that right? No. What is this? Sac of x509. OSL stack of x509 free. How do you free this? Let me look at some examples on using PKC as one pass. Stack of x509 free stack. How do I freaking free this? Let me look up on GitHub, just global search for this function. See if I can find literally anyone using using it. Yeah, because I don't know how you free the stack once you get a stack of items. Yeah, specify CA. So then, because he is 12 free. They just don't free it. It's brilliant. They just don't free it in this code. Like OSSL stacker for X509 free. Is that even a function? Is that even like an actual thing? Actually, yes. It's in X509.h, which I'm not including. That'll be why. Identifier OSSL free is not defined. It calls SKX509 pop free. And if I would say, free, I would say, and then free these two as well. Okay, and then return SC, okay. Okay, that should be like a good... That should work. It should read the function. It should like do it. So let's see if this works. I need to make a program to actually test this DLL, don't I? Because I can't just run this DLL. Hexto equals hex encoded. What do you mean? I'll put the const. Yeah, I put the const on like all of these. I suppose it's because they're not unsigned in this one. Unsigned shell, unsigned shell, unsigned shell, unsigned shell. Different type free definition. Syntax error identifying what in obj base.h. I'm confused. Do I need to make this xmc if I import OpenSSL? Token type specifier, like this isn't a thing I'm using anywhere. This isn't like, why is it giving me an error on this when I'm not even using it? I'm not even like file obj base.c.h. I don't have an obj base.h. It doesn't make this like s.c file instead of a .cpp. I could. Then some things wouldn't work though. What does this mean? Can I just do this before the Win32 import for some reason? I'm not importing OBJ base. Yes, I am. Like maybe it's being imported into OpenSSL. Maybe it's like part of the OpenSSL includes somehow. Undefined external IMP send IOB func. Okay, I can't build with OpenSSL, because it gives a bunch of missing, file structures. Let me have a look at, here. How do I actually use this? Does it say how to actually, like, use it? Linking to your application. These files, so yeah. Okay, let's shove all of this in here. ADV API, GDI32. Why isn't it GDI? That's weird. Okay, it's missing external symbol IOB func. Unresolved external symbol IOB func. I can just copy this code in. So now it is there, despite the fact that it wasn't earlier. Like it was competing, couldn't find it earlier, now it's competing as two of them. Yeah, it can't find it, then you add it, and then it goes like, oh, and then it goes, oh, it's already included. Like, what the hell? I need to also add msclt gib. Computing IRB func isn't there again. Did I add that in? And now it works. Okay, cool. That's cool. Doing so much shit to get this to even build. It's kind of dumb, honestly, how much stuff I have to do to get this to build. But okay. Okay. Sure. Sweet. So now I'm gonna make an app to use this DLL. I'm gonna export the function that should be exported though, like the moment this isn't exported, but now it is. Okay. Just so it compiles now. Yeah. I'm just gonna copy all of this code I used to get this working and just shove it in here. And then I can just include openssl.hpp. And that should be a bit better. Okay, be right back. Okay, back. So I need to make an app to kind of test this. Right? Kind of test this thing. Don't let us be in respect. Yeah, I got OpenSSL to build, finally. Which is like great. And I had to do this in order to make it even work. But it builds now, so I'm gonna make a program to test this because it's a DLL, so yeah. Console app ESM crypto test. So should be able to go over the PSM encryptor now. And go win debug. Yeah, here it is. And the .yib, okay. Okay. Specify that's a thing. Cube PSME data. PSME data.http. Include. Period. And let's change this to build dependencies. Project dependencies depends on this. Believe if we do that, that should make it work. Okay. So now let's try call this function with I don't know, test / application / app.exe / test / application / app scripted.exe / application / app.exe and then sce psm each data type. We don't need ICV and crypto. kdev dot test slash kdev dot 12. I don't know. I don't know what the size of the file will be, but okay, let's actually go make the folder for this. Let's just do 100 for now. Test slash app.khapp. Let's just for now just do that and see if that even works. Oh, and you see actual data for the PKCS12. Oh, that's right. Okay. Const void kdev was malloc whatever, right? So file style kdev fd equals f open f open s actually. So kdev fd equals null, and then end kdev fd slash test slash kdev.p12 read bytes, right? And file hkapp fd equals null. Let's also open that. Okay, app p12 dot app right, app.khapp khapp whatever. Now size t equals fseek k dev fd 0 seek end and then size t equals ftell 64 of ftell kdev whatever, right? Dev size seek sets. Do the same for khapp. App size kdev size app size app, and then 3 kdev 3 khapp right. Why isn't that me found freedom? Oh, because I made them const voids, and they shouldn't be const voids, they should just be voids. Okay. So then it's fread dev 1 kdev size kdev fd, and we do the same with khrap. Okay, and then hkapp, right, and then it's just a matter of calling this and this and this and khrap size. Okay, that should be a test of some sort. Can an open file psm encryptor.yib? Do we even have to? If there's a project dependency, does it just work? Actually curious. No, it doesn't. Okay, so I have to actually set it as a project dependency. And then specify to use additional or whatever. How do you specify the folder? I forget how you do that. General additional including directories. Solution do slash psm encryptor slash win32 slash debug. Believe, right? psm encryptor debug. What? Okay, it's actually just straight up just debug, like that. Cannot open file psm encryptor.deb. Why? psm encryptor debug. psm encryptor deb. It's literally here. Like. Yo. Yes, I see. Windows, just get PSM encryptor debug. And then from in there, I want to input the file PSM encryptor.in. But for some reason, it's saying I can't find it, even though I specified where to find it. I'll put that as including directories. Oops. That's where I need to put it. Okay, so it built. So now I need to actually create this test file. So yeah. PSM encryptor test debug. Why doesn't that work? Oh, because this file isn't included in the project, apparently. Oh, it is. Where's the exe? Oh, it's here for some reason. Okay. That's fine. Okay, now I just need to make some files for this to try. So PSM CSV packages, bad apple PSM. I have PSM KH app here. Where's I running PSM signer from? PSM signer, believe it was here? No. I had to modify the code to do the proof of concept, so yeah. So wait, I think it's here. Then x64 debug kdev and psmkh app. Git psm encryptor, psm encryptor test, psm encryptor debug. Okay, now new folder test, right? Copy these two over. PSM.kh app instead. And now we need the application file, which always got from bad apple unsigned. Application. And paste. Okay, so application apps.exe, yeah. Okay, that should hopefully work. Maybe. Let's give it a shot. Now, PSM encryptor.dol is not a valid Win32 application. What? Why? Oh wait, I think I have to also, hang on. I think I have to also set this to use the Windows XP toolset, right? Yeah, I have to change this to also ink multi-threaded. Yinko general. All options. No, not machine x86. TD, PI, Grease, MT, yes. Okay, so build. Now run. BSM encryptor.dll is not a valid Win32 application. But why? Genuinely. Okay, it built. Now build this one as well. We build this solution. We build the entire solution so I get both. Now start it. PSM encryptor is not a valid Win32 application. What the fuck? Why is it not a valid Win32 application? What's wrong with it? Detected easy, can you tell me? I don't know, it seems to think it's a valid Win32 application. Okay, printf status slash x res SCEPSM data status that equals PSM data status stats equals that, and then slash n. It runs if I do it that way. But if I try running it from in the other thing, it tells me it's not a valid Win32 application. Is it because the working directory is not the same directory as where it's located? Perhaps. Oh, wait. I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. Yeah, okay, it's because it's trying to run the DOL directly. Yeah, I need to set it to the test. I need to set the startup program to the fucking test. Not the DOL. There we go. Okay. That's cool. Let's run through here. Why did I just get an error on FC? Wait, why can't I F-seek? What the hell? We're going to use F-seek S? Is that like a thing? No? Also probably setting up in the wrong folder. Thinking about now. Yeah, it is. Okay, it's put in the right place. Now let's try it. Okay. Test.kdev. Test.khrap. Yep, now I can seek. Awesome. And I can malloc both of them. Read the data into both of them, and then step in here, and now I'm in the code we wrote. So, yeah, so edata fill content ID, bam, bam. Okay, so that's cool. That's cool. So now, we get to call this. Int res ESM data status res equals SDOK. And this can return res. And here we can set res to this. HKF, yeah. Here's KDBG. Okay, chow, game key 10, chow, Vita HMAC key 10, chow, Android HMAC key 10, and chow, TSM file name HMAC key 10. Okay. Okay. So got to actually call the function I just tried to implement. I can't believe it. Okay. So let's give that a shot. What do you mean unresolved external symbol? Oh. Oh, right, because of course, because this is a fucking C file, right? This is a C++ file. This is like doing the thing where it puts. Okay, that's a problem. TSM encryptor.hpp. I got this. If and def TSM encryptor h define TSM encryptor h1 and def def C++ or something. I don't remember. Let's just do xturn C, right? And now I can go ahead and I can rename this to PSM encryptor .h, and I can steal this import declaration for here. Include PSM data to PSM HK app. Right, so now include PSM encryptor.hpp. It's still getting annoyed that it's not found. I can just specify it this way, right? And now it will use the xton C version, hopefully. ESM encryptor.hpp. Dev to oh. Okay. Build, yes. I don't know why I'm using C++ for this. I could easily be using C. Cannot convert type from uint8 to hkapp. Send hkapp. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's see if this works. So I'm gonna pass this. Okay, that seems to have worked. Get the RSA key from it. Right, P key. P key. RSA. All of the stuff's here. N E whatever, right? So we read the key, no problem. Okay. So now it's do that, mem copy that over. I would say private decrypt. That worked, okay. Then it's AES decrypt. Right, and then copy. Oh, that broke. AES section. What happened before we kicked that? We had just done on memcopy. For some reason, the memcopy broke. The HMAC key. I put the and sign. I don't have the and sign here. Okay. Okay, run until we reach this point. Yes, okay. Yes, because of the host KDBG. I would say section, yes section. Then copy S. And failed again. Why did it fail and then copy S? S16, so I just see the H active key 4. Ah, that's why. Why is that? Um, kind of annoying. You can't just specify size of file name HMAC key and it will like do it. Be the HMAC key and then we memset this key. The HMAC size 21 and then them and then hex to bin. And then this sketchy function that should in theory work, right? Next right. Okay, so we got the game keys and stuff. Seems to work. I make a new CPP file called sony.cpp. Sony.hpp, and if in def underscore psm encryptor Sony H define psm encrypt Sony H1 and if. Okay. Okay, so basically I'm gonna take the function from PSM keys, this one, the sketchy one. I'm just gonna shove this in Sony C. Include STIO, PSTIO dot, and include Sony.hpp. Okay. So yes, anything that's just done because Sony said so will be in here. So for instance, the helper function for AES CPC would also go in here. Open SSL. PSME data include okay, that should be good. Include Sony.hpp. Okay. Perfect. So next function is this one, get PSSE header keys, which should define a PSM data status. Okay. Status, get PSC header keys. First things first, we want to check is the header even there. Okay. Then we want to memset both of them. Header key at 0. It's defined in Sony HPP like include sorry, hashtag define key size as LX10 just because I keep using this number. So key size, key size, key size. Let's use it here too. Okay, that should be good. I'll reset echo key to 0 and then want to do like a check like this. Size T SCE PSM fixed key, right? And then key size, header IV, size T equals SCE PSM fixed IV. But we also want to have a check in here for if it's PSM release, right? Because actually, I guess we can just remove this, and we can just do it this way. We can just go up here. Right, and we can change the fixed key. Okay, hashtag else. That's the fixed key, right? Like, otherwise, like the fixed key is either this or it's this, depending on if it's built for release or not. Okay. Return sc, okay. If res equals sc, okay. Then we want to get the header keys, right? Key size. We also want in here the PSC header key and PSC header key size and 8T PSC header IV key size. Okay. So now we get those. Another check if res equals sc, okay. And now we got all this, right? So we got this edata ctx thing. So edata ctx. What is this type? PSM edata struct. PSM edata struct. Okay, it's not actually in here. Should be documents. Be the that's what I want now. Windows PSM encryptor.h. PSM edata struct. PSM edata CTX. Right. Cool. So now we got CTX, PSM edata CTX. So then all of this who isn't our type equals type minus 2 unsigned int I guess an unsigned int from the beginning. Yeah. else if all of this. Type is not, else if type is not equal to whatever, then all this. And then after all of that, we then memcopy edata ctx edata context, which is a separate variable for some reason. And then we call edata encryption. Right. Yeah. Okay. And that's like already that's the entirety of PSM data encrypt. There's only one thing left. And that's this. Not because it's the most complicated thing in here. It does a fair bit. But yeah, this is like the actual encryption part. Which I'm gonna test this so far. So yeah. Why is it trying to find it twice? It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be trying to do it if it's not already defined once before. I guess it makes more sense to move the AES encrypt and even key size and all that. Yeah, like OSSL.cpp. Okay. Using sending a CDP to only have the weird hex to binary thing. Um, okay, let's pop this in here. Okay. Now let's just copy these out. The hell? Wait. Why did it just break? The first one worked and then it didn't work after that. Just like, why? AES key size. Fine. HMAC key size. 20. Okay. Um. HMAC key size, HMAC key size. AES key size. Is that even correct? By the way, is even copy like? Yeah, they are bigger. They're 32 each instead of. Okay, and just checking. Does this does like use that, right? This is 10 on each anyway, despite the fact that technically speaking it's Gouger, of course. Of course, why would Sony be consistent on this sort of thing? Let's just do style, zoom, and style. Okay. So AES key size. The difference is Sony didn't actually use size of here. They just fucking plopped the key size in every single one. Cool. So the fact that these ones are actually bigger. Okay, maybe this shouldn't be bigger. Maybe that looks like a bug actually. I think these are 32 actually. Because if we look back, you can see Sony only allocates 12 for each. Yeah, okay, it's just a bug. It shouldn't be. Okay, well maybe they do use size of, or just have the thing completely wrong. These are all the same size. It's the first thing I read. I did it wrong. Okay. Open SSL. Here's an encryptor. Okay. So next would be the do data encryption section, right? As long as this works, which I need to check. Okay, now we're checking this, check this, and yeah, then we'd call do data encryption. which is here, right? But I think I'm done for now. I think I'm gonna do the rest of this later. Yeah, but this is kind of already kind of going well. Yeah. Let me just. There's one thing I'll do. I'll change the build folder for all of these to be something less silly. Configuration slash configuration build slash configuration. Into see if all configurations, all platforms. Until yeah. Okay, and now let's do the same for you. Okay. If I build this now, okay, like make a get ignore file. And we can ignore the entirety of OpenSSL. And ignore DSM encryptor slash build and DSM encryptor slash build. So and we can move the test folder from here to our build folder here, and then delete these two. Style.user style.yes style. Okay, that should be good. Get init. Okay. Encryptor decompilation of DSM encryptor 64.dll. Okay. Git remote add origin this. Git add what happened to the freaking git ignore that you're supposed to git add git ignore add git add psm encryptor. That is taking a while. I'm confused as to why that took a while. Okay, git add psm encryptor test. Info commit git push origin main. There you go. I feel like explicit EPR to the VS folder. Git reset head folder 1. Git add git ignore. Git add psm encryptor. Git add psm encryptor test. Git commit initial commit. Git push origin main. Git option get remote origin remote remove origin remote add origin -m origin this. If we can do this, get add origin that get push origin main force. How the hell do you do this again? That's what I did. Okay, Fuck's sake. Yeah, I know. It's deliberately not tracked. There is literally a git ignore for fucking OpenSSL, but it is getting mad at me having nothing. God's sake, okay. Why? I'm usually doing what they said to do. It doesn't work. Sake. Why? Zero commits. Yeah, it's not tracked. It's literally executed. Stop telling me to track OpenSSL. Sake. Okay. Move OpenSSL // OpenSSL. I can't even do that. Okay, git add r commit m is let me commit, damn it, git push. Okay, it seems to maybe be working now. Oh my god, it's gonna finish ever. I mean, the file that's not even supposed to be there? That one's too large for you? Aye. Get rm/.vs. Okay, is that everything? There's nothing weird anywhere. Okay, cool. Hopefully this time. We mean everything up to date. No, it isn't. Okay. id dot get css. And just nuke the git folder and we do this. So git init, git branch, I'm not trying to call it master, but okay, fine, whatever. There we go. Okay, git remote add origin this. Git push origin main. Oh. Okay. Hopefully, it's all here, and there's nothing weird in it. Hopefully. Alright, that should be it. I was gonna leave ages ago, but then I didn't, so,